The Zika virus is now confirmed in all 4 counties in the Rio Grande Valley. Today, Texas Department of State Health Services confirmed that Willacy County has 1 case of travel-related Zika. Channel 5's Gabriela Garza joins us now with more. Gabriela.
As of Tuesday, the Texas Department of State and Health Services recognized 294 cases of illnesses due to the Zika virus. Willacy County is the final county in the Rio Grande Valley to join that list.
We have identified a travel-related Zika case in Willacy County now. It would have been over the last few weeks. I don't know exactly when the case was diagnosed, but it was added to our count this week. Most likely diagnosed in the last couple of weeks at some point. And we don't release sort of where people have traveled to, but of course we continue to see Zika being transmitted in Mexico, in various parts of Mexico, including along the border, as well as Central and South America and the Caribbean.
Director of Media Relations for Texas Department of State and Health Services, Chris Van Duzen, tells us the investigation is slightly different due to it being a travel-related case.
We do an investigation anytime we have a travel-related case, just as we would do with a local case. It's a little bit different because you're kind of looking for different things. But whether or not it's in a county where we kind of serve as a local health department, or there is a county or a city health department, we do an investigation of the case, and of course, when there's a case brought to light, speak to the patient and tell them about the precautions to take and see where they've been, and if there's any other action we need to take. Would also look sort of around that person's home to see if there's mosquito activity, to see if there are, if there's some precautions that can be taken as far as, dumping out standing water, see if there's areas that mosquitoes could breed, and so those could be taken care of.
Willacy County does not have a county health department. The investigation is being handled by DSHS. The Zika virus is particularly dangerous for pregnant women. Zika has been linked to a birth defect called microcephaly. Van Dusen recommends pregnant women delay traveling to areas where Zika transmissions are ongoing. He says everyone should take precaution as well.
People need to be very careful when they're traveling to those areas, make sure they continue to protect themselves from mosquito bites, because that's the way that Zika spreads to a new area.
State health officials recommend the following precautions to prevent the spread of Zika. Apply EPA-registered insect repellents, wear pants and long-sleeve shirts to avoid skin exposure, use screens or close windows and doors to keep mosquitoes out of your home, remove standing water in and around your home, cover trash cans or containers where water can collect. Symptoms of the Zika virus can include fever, rash, muscle and joint aches, and red eyes. If you start to develop symptoms or think you may be infected, you should visit a local healthcare provider. In Willacy County, Gabriela Garza, Channel 5 News at 4.
And there are now a total of 23 Zika cases in the valley. There are 16 confirmed cases of the Zika virus in Cameron County. There are 5 in Hidalgo, 1 in Starr, and as Gabriela just mentioned, 1 case in Willacy County.